This is the new Bentley Mulliner Batur. Bentley has today unveiled the Bentley Mulliner Batur, a new two-door Grand Touring coupe limited to 18 series pieces that embodies the start of a design revolution at Bentley. The Batur will also be the most powerful Bentley yet, with more than 730 horsepower version of the iconic, hand-assembled 6-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine that has metaphorically and literally powered Bentley's success for the last 2 decades. As the engine enters its twilight years as part of Bentley's Beyond 100 transformation journey to being fully electrified, the Batur forms the first part of a celebration of the W12's extraordinary power, torque and refinement. Engine performance will be matched to the most advanced Bentley chassis ever, with speed-tuned air suspension, electric active anti-roll control, limited slip differential, 4-wheel steering and torque vectoring. Beyond the exterior form of the car lies an almost endless array of choices for each car's future owner to make. Paint choice is infinite, starting with the full Mulliner color palette and traveling beyond into fully bespoke paint and even hand-painted graphics. The aerodynamic additions of front splitter, side skirts and rear diffuser can be crafted in both carbon fiber or new, sustainable natural fiber composite. The exterior bright wear can be any mix of light and dark, satin or gloss or even titanium. As per the first car, another option is graduated contrast color to the front grille, for a vibrant ombre effect. The Batur sits on unique 22-inch wheels, with the standard option being painted in black crystal and then surface bright machined and polished. A darker option combines dark gloss faces with satin spokes, while customers can also choose to paint match the wheels to the body with or without contrast finish, or to choose a totally different contrast color. The 2-seat interior space of the Batur is designed for ultimate personalization and long-distance grand touring. Inspired by the success of the interior design of the Bacolor, the Batur builds on the core elements of the Bacolor's cabin design and adds new sustainable luxury features. Every element of the cabin is tailored to the customer's specifications. Clients can choose from a variety of sustainable interior materials, including low-carbon leather sourced from Scotland, which travels significantly smaller distance than leather sourced from outside the UK. Sustainable tannage leather from Italy, in 5 different colors. Dynamica, an alternative suede-like sustainable material to leather. The range of veneers available for the fascia include a new material for Bentley, natural fiber composite, which is a sustainable alternative to carbon fiber,